Hi, my name is Carol and this is my presentation. I remember my 15th birthday. It was one of the happiest days of my life. As soon as I woke up, my mother and father threw me a party. I had no idea, but my relatives knew it was something incredible. By the time I finished breakfast, I suspected it was going to be that good day. I have to admit I was a little anxious and intrigued, but my parents didn't want to hurt the surprise. They now like to know everything. My parents give me a table, and I thought that would be my 15th birthday present. I was happy about that, but I knew that wasn't the only present. It's customary for girls to get a party at some point. However, my parents didn't have much money. Anyway, they threw me a party with family and loved aunts. When I returned home, I was already suspicious, but I couldn't believe my eyes. It was all the people I love shooting surprise. I have never been as happy as I was that day. And this is my plan.